Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare this our native vegetable salad with garden egg leaves. So this is garden egg leaves. This is what it looks like. Here I have some garden eggs. These are the mini garden eggs. Here I have some ukpaka, also known as oil bean. I have some gizzards already cooked and seasoned. Here I have some chopped onions. I'll also be adding some palm oil. I have some ehuru seed known as calabash nutmeg. I have some salt. I have seasoning cubes. I also have ground crayfish. I have some ungo. You can also make use of akwukwo or baking soda, or you can skip it completely. So now to prepare this recipe, go ahead and slice your garden eggs into small chunks. If you don't like it in small chunks, you can leave it whole. Next, add the ungo inside your mixing bowl. Next, add in some red oil. Mix everything together until it curdles. To make the sauce lighter, I added some stock that I got from seasoning my gizzards. So I added it and I continued to give it a good stir. Next, add in your ingredients. I added my ground ehuru seed. I added some seasoning cubes. I added some salt. I added ground pepper, ground crayfish, and I stirred everything together once more. After mixing it together, add in your ukpaka, which is your oil bean. Mix everything together properly. When it is well incorporated, add in your gizzards and stir everything together. You can make use of fish, stockfish, smoked fish, or any protein of your choice. You can decide to use liver, okay? Feel free to add anything that you want to add. You can even use whole crayfish, you know, the big prawns crayfish. You can make use of that as well. Next, I added in my chopped onions. Feel free to skip this one if you don't like raw onions. After adding in the onions, add in the garden eggs and the garden egg leaves. Mix everything together. This recipe is packed with lots of nutrients, like it's a blood tonic. You can give it to anyone with special dietary requirements, like anyone with let's say liver disease. But please, if you want to do that, you might consider skipping the red palm oil, okay? It also improves kidney health if you have someone, or if you are undergoing dialysis, or maybe you just want to detoxify your kidney and cleanse it once in a while. You just have to consume these vegetables and just prepare it this way, just adding some touches to it. It is so good as a detoxifier. It's good for pregnant women. It helps prevent birth defects in their unborn babies. It also promotes fertility in men and in women also. It boosts libido, okay? It can prevent cancer because this akwukwo anyara, this garden egg leaves, has lots of phytochemicals, and phytochemicals, they're fight free radicals that causes or that predisposes someone to cancer. So it helps in preventing cancer, okay? It also promotes weight loss. This is so high in fiber, dietary fiber, so it can prevent you from gaining a lot of weight and reducing your cholesterol level. I can go on and on about the benefits of this recipe. It also serves as a blood tonic. It can boost your hemoglobin level. It's also good in preventing constipation, that it has lots of fiber. It also reduces your blood sugar levels, okay? I don't want to continue because I have lots of things to say about the benefits. I just hope you enjoy and you try this recipe. You can pair it with abacha or with roasted yam or roasted plantains. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up, like it, share, subscribe, okay? Turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you'll be notified. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.